Hello everyone. Today we are solving an 121 best time to buy and sell stock caution on lead code. What question states that you are given an array prices where prices I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. Okay. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in future to sell that stock. Return maximum profit if you achieve from this transaction. If you can't achieve any profit, return zero. Okay. uh, it simple means when to buy, basically when to buy a stock so that we gain maximum profit, as whenever the in future दे जब भी हमें वो कम से कम उसमें मिल रहा होगा तो हम उसे ले लेंगे. लेट सपोज हमने इसे यहाँ पे 1 पे ले लिया स्टॉक को, ठीक है. अब हम उसे कब सेल करते हैं, हम उसको आइट्रेट करके देखते हैं आगे आगे फ्यूचर में कब करते हैं. लेट्स सपोज हमने 5 में कर दिया तो हमारा प्रॉफिट क्या निकल के आया, मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट. लेट्स सपोज फिलहाल तो क्या है, ये 0 है. अब जैसे हमने 5 पे सेल कर दिया तो 5 माइनस वॉट वी बाय जस्ट 4. ओके, इट इज़ 4. वॉट इफ़ वी sell it on the third day, like 3 here, but when we compare 3 minus 1, that is 2, which is smaller than the already we sold in fifth day. That is why we don't change this value. Okay, now what if we sell it on the 6th? Let's suppose, so 6 minus 1, that is 5. So the maximum profit from this is goes to the 5. Okay, so that is our the answer, but still we check for further, is there any best time to sell. Let's suppose at the end we take an 4 minus 1, that is 3. This is also smaller, that is why we kept uh, uh, tracking whenever we reach our maximum profit. uh, let's look how to implement this in code. Let's suppose with initializing some variables like what is now. अब हम कब मिनिमम से मिनिमम हमने सेल ले रखा है, मतलब कब हमने उसे परचेज करा है. एज मिनिमम, मिनिमम प्राइस इनिशियली फॉर बेटर रेफरेंस से इंट मैक्स. ओके, as you already to keep track of maximum profit, say maximum profit initialize with the value 0. Okay, keep iterating on an array like for I0, I lesser than n, where n is the size of an array and I will be plus plus. Okay, we just check if array of I is smaller than the min price. We assume, let's suppose we take it from here, just change the min price. It means we just buy this on that day, a of I. Okay, else if a of I is not an min price, just compare with your maximum profit. Is you reach your maximum profit, just change it by from whom. से थोड़ा छोटा करके लिखते हैं इसे, मैक्सिमम बिटवीन द वेरिएबल वी स्टैंडिंग हियर एंड द maximum profit itself. Change the by maximum profit with check if a of I minus minimum value when we sell, when we buy, minimum profit, minimum price. that is for else condition. At the end, just close the for loop and just return maximum profit, max profit. Take a dry run to understand this logic. Okay, let's a dry run. First, I will point here. I will point at first index and compare it with the minimum price. Is a of I, that is 7, क्या हमारा लेसर देन है मिनिमम प्राइस which was initially int max? This, yes it is. So condition is true. Go inside, change the value of minimum price with this. So what we do right now, just change it to as 7. 7. Okay. It means we buy this in that day. Okay. Increment the value of I. Okay. We are at here and check if क्या a of I which is 1 क्या lesser than हमारे minimum value minimum price which is this 7. Is this correct? I think it is. So change the value of minimum again. Change it 1 by 1. Okay, change it again. Go to the next. Is 5 क्या हमारा लेसर देन है मिनिमम वैल्यू? व्हाट इज द मिनिमम वैल्यू राइट नाउ? इट इज़ 1. I think it is not true. No. Go to the else condition. What is the else condition? We just check taking in many maximum profit initially and taken maximum between maximum profit initially which is initially 0 and taking and the ith day which is 5. Okay, a of I minus minimum value, minimum price which is right now is 5 minus 1, that is 4. Okay, update the value of maximum. Okay, we just update the value with 4. Okay, now we again go to the next loop. From here go to there. Okay, we again check the if condition. क्या हमारा minimum value that is 1 क्या ये a of I से बड़ा है? नहीं. तो else condition में चलते हैं. else condition में हम again check करेंगे क्या हमारी maximum that is right now is 4 और difference between the a of I minus minimum value, that is minimum value right now is 1 which is true. Who is the maximum right now is again 4. No need to update. Okay, again I iterate for the next. Now we pointing to 6. Check again if condition. क्या ये हमारे मिनिमम वैल्यू से छोटा है? नहीं. तो नो नीड टू गो इनसाइड दिस इफ एल्स if condition. Just go into the else condition which is just maximum between the maximum element right now is 4 and difference between the ith variable and the minimum value which is right now is 1, that is goes to the 5. So is we need to change the maximum max of profit? Yes, because maximum profit is 5 not 4. That is why we change the maximum as 5. Okay, we get our the answer, but we for full dry run we again go this and check क्या ये हमारे मिनिमम से छोटा है? नहीं. तो ये एल्स कंडीशन में जाएगा और ये फिर से डिफरेंस निकालेगा जो कि होगा मैक्सिमम का एंड डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू बाय एंड सेल, डेट इज़ 3. सो नो नीड टू चेंज बिकॉज 5 इज स्टिल द मैक्स एज पॉसिबल. सो आवर आंसर गोज टू द 5 because again I will be plus plus and it is goes to out of bind. This is the full dry run for this code. Okay, now talking about time complexity. What is time complexity? Is we running this loop for full, that is n, which is the size of array. It means we iterate all the elements one by one. That is why time is order of n and space is just order of 1. Okay, that is time space. Time is order of n and space is order of 1. Thank you.